Just waiting for the clear coat. Got the base coat all on. Okay. There's the inner primary stud, which was broken off here, so drilled it and tapped it to that size. I just got to cut this off and thread it. There's the stainless steel brackets for the exhaust system. I'll polish them up. There's the oil tank plate. Just got to drill the 2 holes in it. Glue that on. That's nicely cut. Got all my parts. I just hacksawed off that bolt we had. It's I think it's 3/8, is it? 3/8 fine thread. Standard, so I'm just going to Loctite it into this. The previous video you saw where that thing snapped off, so Peter's work there, they put this in a lathe so it's dead center and drilled dead center and tapped dead center, so it's perfect. Perfect as you can get it. So put some red Loctite on it and make her like new. I was cutting some trim here today for a guy, so on my table saw, kind of hard to get around. So I put the stainless steel plates on. I buffed them up a little bit for now. Oh, my finger. They line up with the other ones. Got the other side on. It's just kind of loose there for now. Comes with a big flat washer first. Gonna put a lock washer on the back. I'm not sure if there ever was, but I'm gonna put one on there. Now with this inner primary bolt on, I can put the inner primary on, maybe put the sprocket on chain on, turn this engine over. I want to make sure it's going to turn over, kick over all right. Okay, I get a wrench and tighten that. You know, even this inner primary is damaged. Just like everything. This is the bottom. There's a chip missing out of there. The big O-ring will still seal it, but there's a chip out of there at the bottom, so we might get that welded too. Peter said the guy does work can weld that. And then I just noticed there's 2, because I haven't buffed this thing up yet, so I haven't really looked over it, but there's 2 chips there, one there, one there. Well, see if you can put a little dab on that. It's not going to affect the way it works or anything. It's going to seal oil. The back looks all right. There's always something. Always something screwed up. Okay, we'll test fit that. Let's just try out this inner primary to put it on there. And this floating portion here for the transmission, there's a felt washer built into here. I didn't get that in any of my gasket kits, but and this one looks not too bad, but supposed to be a felt washer in there. I'll have to look into that. Clean up the rust on here, and I still got to buff this up. Still pretty rough. I just love to put the Kickstarter on and kick it over a couple times. See what it feels like. So I might just do that. Kick it over and take the plugs out until the oil starts pumping out the top here. I got new lines coming in. I'm not going with those homemade high pressure lines on the tappet shafts, rocker shafts. I ordered new lines from Norville, the plastic type. Don't have enough money for the stainless type. I'm just going to have to get it together all up and running and then slowly replace stuff with stainless steel and just be a work in progress, I guess. But get it all cleaned up. So that's where I'm at today. Peter painted all those parts. It should be dry tomorrow. And I might be able to put together a few more things. I like to get, no, I can't do the coil pack yet. He didn't paint that yet. Anyways, that's it for tonight. Hot and humid in here. I'm out of here.